Hi friends, welcome to Tech Arena. In this video we are going to unbox basic laptop protector of Amazon and we will see whether it is good to 15.6-inch laptops. Let's get started. Amazon Basic Sleeve comes with 5 different colors and in different sizes. I ordered navy color 15.6-inch laptop sleeve of Amazon Basic. First of all, the package delivery was nice and they given it without folding. Let me open it up. After opening the box, we can see the navy colored sleeve inside a plastic cover. I ordered it for $499, and it is very nice at this price. Product is very smooth and soft to touch. It has a zip on one side. Product will protect laptop from scratches, bumps and minor accidents because the inside sponge-like material is hard while touching. I feel that when laptop is inside it will roughly goes to 2.6 centimeters. It will be little high at sides but not slim as they told. Even at this size it will easily get into bag. It is good for ultrabooks as I have Dell Inspiron 153593. I ordered 15.6-inch sleeve. Laptop going freely and there is space on top after placing my laptop as you can see. Overall the product is good and satisfied with delivery and product, but this product is only for those who carry laptop in their bags. You can place your lap in sleeve freely and carry in a bag without any tension or worry about scratches. Finally, if you ask me, it is good to buy. Yes, it is good to buy at 500. If 500 is high, I recommend another product which is only 169 and have a better rating. Links under description. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe.